Welcome to another informative video about the rules of driving the RV or trailer on a state-by-state camping road trip. In the previous video, we were discussed the 5 states: Alaska, Arizona, California, Florida, and New York. In this video, we will explore the rules of driving and towing the RV or trailer of 6 more states. So, when we cross a state line, not only might the traffic and driving laws be different than in our home states, but the legal specifications for our RVs might be different as well. These tips on regulations for RV lots and trailer by the state are intended to be helpful, but regulations change often and it is up to you to know and follow the law. So, starting from Texas. The speed limit allowed in Texas is maximum 70 miles per hour during the day and 65 at night. If you don't take notice of this, they will ticket you. Size limitations are 14 feet height, 8 feet 6 inches width. Trailer length is not stated. Motorhome length 45 feet. Combined length 65 feet. Required equipments are safety chain, breakaway switch required on trailers over 3,000 pounds, flares or reflective signs, brakes on trailers with unladen weight of 4,500 pounds. Triple towing is permitted if combined length does not exceed 65 feet. Passengers are permitted to ride in pickup camper only. Overnight parking is posted in state rest areas with a 24-hour limit. LP gas is restricted on the Washburn Tunnel between Pasadena and Galena Park on the Houston Ship Channel. Maximum of 2 7.5-gallon containers, 30 pounds gas each, or 1 10-gallon container, 40 pounds of gas, of DOT, ICC, approved type, with shutoff valve at discharge opening. Valve must be closed when in tunnel. LP gas as vehicle fuel is prohibited. Pennsylvania. Any RV trailer being towed in the state of Pennsylvania must be equipped with a fully functioning brake system. The brakes must apply to all 4 wheels. When the brakes are applied, the trailer must stop within a certain distance. Trailers weighing more than 3,000 pounds must have a breakaway system. Trailers with extra wheels must have a brake system on each extra wheel. The RV trailer's tires must all be the same size, unless there is an emergency. Non-pneumatic tires are prohibited, and tires cannot have ice grips or studs applied that are more than 1/16 of an inch long. Drivers may not mix radial and belted tires on the same axis. All tires on an axis must be of the same type. Tires cannot touch any part of the trailer's main body, fenders or chassis. Required equipment are safety chain, breakaway switch, fire extinguisher in RV, flares or reflective signs. A trailer must have at least 1 red light attached to the back that lights up when the brakes are applied. Trailers also are required to have rear lights, parking lights, turn signal lights, hazard lights and stop lamps. All lights must be visible to the human eye from 500 feet away at night. A trailer's turn signal lights must flash with a frequency between 60 and 120 flashes every minute. Trailers must have a small light that keeps the trailer's license plate illuminated at night. RV trailer that is higher than 30 inches off the ground must have a bumper. Each trailer should be outfitted with rear wheel flaps that prevent the back tires from splashing debris into following cars. Trailers cannot be towed faster than 55 miles per hour on the highway. Trailers cannot be wider than 8 feet, 6 inches, and cannot be taller than 6 feet. The overall length of the car and the trailer connected cannot be longer than 60 feet. Riding is permitted in fifth wheels if there is an audible and visual device with tow vehicle and fifth wheel has safety glass. While in New Jersey, if you were pulled over and found to have a firearm that was not purchased in New Jersey, you are breaking the law. Size limitations are 13 feet 6 inches height, 8 feet width, 8 feet 6 inches on certain federal highway systems, 40 feet trailer length, 40 feet motorhome length, 50 feet combined length. The allowed speed limit of the trailer is 65 miles per hour. No additional restrictions for car with trailer. Triple towing is not allowed. Required equipment are safety chain, breakaway switch, flares or reflective signs. Weight of trailer requiring brakes 3,000 pounds. Open propane cylinders are not allowed while traveling on open highways. New Jersey Turnpike. Motorhome may tow vehicle as long as all 4 wheels are on the ground. No tow dollies or piggybacks. Garden State Parkway. Motorhome may tow another vehicle with tow bar, safety chains and emergency taillights on both vehicles. Passengers may ride in fifth wheels or pickup campers, but not in travel trailers. Wipers, lights on in weather conditions that require them. On the New Jersey Garden State Parkway there is a 55 feet maximum length. For the New Jersey Turnpike or other roads call 908-247-0900 for specific towing regulations. LP gas prohibited between Manhattan and Jersey City in the Holland Tunnel. Between Manhattan and Fort Lee, the lower level of the George Washington Bridge, I-95 South, and George Washington Bridge Expressway, between Manhattan and Weehawken in the Lincoln Tunnel. Michigan. All drivers towing a trailer in Michigan are required to hold a valid driver's license, notes the Michigan Department of State's website. Drivers must be at least 18 years of age, hold a valid Michigan driver's license and pass a written test to obtain a Class R endorsement. The total length must not exceed 65 feet, and this also applies even if you're triple towing. The trailer can be a maximum of 28.6 feet long and 8.6 feet wide. If you were driving a motor home, the maximum length is 45 feet while the permitted length is the same as trailers. The permitted height is 13 feet and 6 inches. You are allowed to triple tow in Michigan with a maximum combined length of 75 feet on selected highways. Required equipment are safety chain and breakaway switch. In Michigan, the law requires that you equip your trailer with at least one working tail light. Your trailer tires have a minimum tread of 2/32 inch, and a light illuminates the trailer license plate. All commercial trailers must have mud flaps on the rear wheels. Trailers weighing a minimum of 2,500 pounds must have turn signals and 2 red or amber rear stop lights that are visible from at least 100 feet during the day and night. Vehicles with a gross weight of under 3,000 pounds must have a single stop light if the trailer's load obscures the stop light on the towing vehicle. All trailers under 3,000 pounds must also have 2 red rear reflectors. Trailers over 3,000 pounds must have 1 rear stop light and an amber reflector near the front of each side of the trailer with a red reflector near the back of each side. Trailers over 3,000 pounds must also have 2 amber clearance lights on the front of the vehicle and 1 on each side, visible from at least 500 feet, a single red clearance light near the rear of each side of the trailer, and 2 red clearance lights on the back of the trailer. All trailers over 3,000 pounds must be equipped with brakes, while trailers weighing over 5,500 pounds must have brakes strong enough to control the trailer's movement, stop it and hold it. Passengers may ride in fifth wheels, travel trailers and pickup campers. Massachusetts. There is an abundance of Massachusetts RV camping sites located near spectacular and historic areas. From Cape Cod to the Berkshires, you should have no trouble finding a great RV camping location just right for you and your family. Size limitations are 13 feet 6 inches height, 8 feet 6 inches width, 40 feet trailer length, 45 feet motorhome length, 60 feet combined length. The allowed speed limit of the trailer is 80 miles per hour. Triple towing is not allowed. Required equipments are safety chain, brakes required on trailer over 10,000 pounds. Passengers can only ride in pickup camper. Riding is allowed in truck campers. Overnight parking is allowed. No propane allowed in tunnels. Trailers are not permitted on Memorial Drive in Cambridge and Starrow Drive in Boston, along the Charles River, or many other parkways in the Boston area. LP gas is prohibited between Boston and East Boston, Sumner and Callahan tunnels, Prudential and Dewey Square tunnels. Delaware. Every trailer, when operated on a highway, shall be equipped with brakes adequate to control the movement, and to stop and hold such vehicle and any trailer attached thereto, including 2 separate means of applying the brakes. Size limitations are: maximum RV width is 8 feet 6 inches, maximum motorhome length is 45 feet, maximum trailer length is 40 feet, maximum RV height is 13.5 feet, maximum combined length for 2 vehicle combination is 65 feet. Riding allowed in truck campers. Required equipment are over 4,000 pounds, trailer brakes and safety chains. Wipers on, headlights on. Right turn on red allowed. Front seat passengers and all passengers under 16 years are required to wear seat belts. Overnight parking in allowed. Every trailer shall be equipped with at least 1 tail lamp, mounted on the rear, which when lighted emits a red light plainly visible from a distance of 500 feet to the rear. Trailer speed limits are: no trailer carrying a gross weight of load in combination with a vehicle in excess of 4,000 pounds. and shall be operated at a speed over 10 miles per hour unless equipped with suitable brakes controlled by the operator of the towing vehicle. No vehicle shall be driven upon any highway pulling more than one other vehicle. The drawbar or other connection between any vehicle and the vehicle it is towing shall not exceed 15 feet in length. If the connection between two vehicles, one towing the other, consists of a chain, rope, or cable, there shall be a red flag or other cloth not less than 12 inches square attached to the connection. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.